Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we are going to print a pattern of star pyramid. Okay, so uh, this is my kindly request to you all. You open this application Visual Studio Code and you practice these things with me parallelly, so that your coding skill will be improved and you can learn this topic in a better way in one go only. Okay, so I'm just going to explain what problem statement, coding part, logics, and comment. I will write comment for each things, for each line, for each logic. Okay, and after that I will execute the code. Okay, and you will be doing drawing part. Okay, you have to do, so that you will be able to make the logic related to these things. Okay, so you, if you have this application, then you open it and do practice. And if you have not this application, you don't have this application like Visual Studio Code, then you open online Java compiler and do practice there. Okay, so I need to write here file name, that is star pyramid dot java. Okay, now I'm going to insert that main method, that is psvm. Okay, and now here I am going to write import java dot util dot scanner to take user input. And now I am going to make object for the scanner class. So I need to write here scanner sc is equals to scanner new scanner system dot in, and then I need to write here shout and enter number of rows, and then I need to write here int n is equals to sc dot next int, and then I need to print a output statement. So I need to write here below is the star pyramid. Okay, so I'm going to write first what the code we have to print the. I'm going to write here input row. What will be the input row? Input row, I think I am saying just if you input row is 5. Okay, then output pyramid of star e will be what I am writing here. One star here, one, two, three, and in third row it will be 5. Okay, and in fourth row it will be, okay, in fourth row it will be 4 2 ja 8 and minus 1 means 7, 3 and 4 7. Okay, and in fifth row it will be, so I need to shift this all one. Okay, to make alignment. Here I need to print star 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 star. This is going to be our output. Okay, so for printing these things I need to write here first. For first I'm going to run outer loop which will control number of rows in pyramid. That is, this is the first row, this is second row, this is third row, this is fourth, this is five. Okay, so I need to write here i int I is equals to 1, I less than equal to n, and I plus plus, and then I need to write here for int j is equals to 1, j less than equal to n minus I. See, this is the main logic for printing space. Okay, in first row, if the number of row is 5, and if we are in first row, the spaces is printing here n minus I, means n minus 1 I, n minus I means 5 minus 1, 4. Here we have left 4 spaces. Okay, as you can see here, from here there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 dot is there, because we have left one extra space between two between two consecutive star. Okay, we have left two we have left uh, one spaces between two consecutive stars. That's why, and one extra space we have left to make this alignment, so that star pyramid can print. Okay, so now I am going to write inner loop which will I have already write inner loop, this one, which will be controlling what, the number of star printing in each row. Okay, and when we are incrementing the row, when we are going to next row to next row to next row, then 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 spaces is decreasing, spaces printing is decreasing. Okay, so I need to write here south two spaces. Okay, I have printed, that's why 8 spaces was coming. Okay, so if we are printing one spaces, you can see it will come synchronized way, it will come in synchronized way. And now I am going to print for int k is equals to 1, k less than equal to 2 into I minus 1, and k plus plus, and now we have to print star with one space, and then here I need to write here one line, and then here I need to print sc dot close. We need to write actually. Okay, and now I think I have write complete code. Okay, this is the logic to print star in each row. Okay, if we are in the first row, to maintain the alignment of the star pyramid. Okay, if we are in the first row, it is printing one star. You can say uh, 2 into I, 2 into 1, 1 minus 1, what, 1. And if we are in the second row, it will be 2 into 2, 4, minus 1, 3. So number of star is printing here 3. If we are in the fourth row, so you can see, if you are in third row, then 3 2 ja 6 minus 1, 5 row, 5 star, sorry, 5 star is printing here in third row. Okay, if we are in the fourth row, it will be number of star will be print how many, 4 2 ja 8 minus 1, 7. So you can see here is the number of star present in fourth row is 7. Okay, and we are in When we are in fifth row, the number of star will be 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Actually it will be 9. I was wrong when I said it will be 11. Okay, that's the wrong things. Number of star will be in fifth row, uh, will be 9, because it is the multiple of I minus 1. So then 5 into 2 10 minus 1 means it will be 9. Okay, now I have write complete part, coding part, and now I am going to execute it. You will be see this result will come, that same result will come when I execute it. It is executing right now, so don't worry. Here you can see it is doing processing. Okay, it is coming. It is saying to enter number of rows. I am entering number of rows 5. You can see below is the star pyramid. Okay, so you can see the number of star present in first row 1 3. How many it is? 3 and 2 5, and then after 5 it is 7, and then 9. Okay, it is incrementing by 1. No, sorry, it is incrementing by 2. When we are uh, moving to the next row, the number of star is printing uh, 2 more. Okay, okay, now I'm going to execute it again first, then I will write code. Okay, then I will write comment. Okay, what is the number of rows I am entering? 6. Okay, you can see this is the our result. It is printing perfectly. Our code is perfect for these things. Okay, now you already know this is a scanner class to take user input, so I need to write input sort take user input. Okay, this is the file name where our code is going to save. Okay, this is the main method. After that, after this, our code is going to execute. Our code is going to execute. Going to Our code is starting to execute. Okay, and this is the main method. Sorry, this is the object creation of a scanner class. And this is what? This is message to user to enter number of rows for star pyramid. And this is what? Storing number of rows in variable n. And this is what? This is message for user to know the result text. Okay, this is the outer loop which is controlling number of rows in the pyramid. This is printing star in the variable, sorry, in the not printing star, bro, what are you doing? Printing spaces in the each row, okay, which can be maximum, which can be maximum of maximum n minus I, okay, and printing to space to maintain what? Maintain pyramid, maintain pyramid, printing to spaces to maintain pyramid alignment, alignment, okay, and this is printing, this is first inner loop, this is first inner loop, which is printing spaces in each row, and this is second inner loop, which is printing number of stars in each row, and when we are moving in next row, number of star is increasing two more, okay, and here we are printing increasing or incrementing, you can say incrementing, and here it is printing star with one spaces, and this is what? This is printing number, printing line to move cursor in the next row after printing star in each row, in current row, you can see, and this is what? This is closing of a to scanner class object to avoid resource leaks, and avoid and free the memory, you can see, you can see, I have written complete code, I have already explained the what is our problem is, okay, and I have write code for this. You have to keep in mind two things for solving this problem. First is spaces. Spaces will be n minus I, and star number of star is incrementing by 2 when we are moving in next row. Okay, so you have to run three loops. First loop for outer loop, which first loop is going to be outer loop to control number of rows. Okay, second one is going to control number of spaces printing. Okay, and in and third loop, which is third loop, which is printing star, which will be maximum can be, which maximum can be 2I minus 1, means number of twice of number of rows minus 1. Okay, so these things you need to keep in mind, and you have to do dry run so that you can be able to make the logic like problem related to these things. Okay, now I'm going to execute it once and then I will close it these things. Okay, video. Okay, here I need to write 5. You can see this is the result. Okay, thank you everyone, have a nice day, bye. And you just be with me, I will so provide here solution for all everything, whether it's basic things, advanced thing, I don't care, I will make video on each things. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.